been a long time since I've been on the YouTube. A lot of life changes. I ended up moving up to the Bay Area. Got a new motorcycle, the Ducati Diavel V4. Don't do it. Oh, hate when people do that shit. But now I got a lot more free time in my life, so I decided to jump back on YouTube and have some fun. It's a Lego man. Holy shit! This bike is nuts. If you guys haven't had a chance to ride a Diavel or Diavel, however you guys want to pronounce it, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. You know, let you know I'm still alive, still kicking around. How to make a lot of big decisions in my life. How to pretty much leave all my friends behind in San Diego and move up to the Bay for a better job. But, you know, you don't choose the bike life chooses you, so. I see you, biker. I like to turn my brights on when I come across intersections like this where a car is just sitting there. That guy is having a great day. He had the biggest smile on his face. We're gonna go to this place called Sushi Rito. I don't know if you guys have ever been there, but it's pretty damn good. What's that dog doing?
Oh, hi.
He looked at me like he heard me. Is it in here? It's not in here. I'm gonna scream. It's not in here. Fuck. God damn it. That's what I get for not looking at the map before I leave somewhere. So not only did I buy a new motorcycle, but I had to buy all new gear, I had to buy a new camera, I had to buy a new audio equipment. So I bought the DJI Osmo Action 4, which is what I'm recording with right now. And then for the audio, I bought the DJI wireless microphones, and it comes in 2 mics and a charging case and 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. And so far, I think it's the best audio setup that I've heard or seen or whatever. I think the Osmo Action 4 might not be resolution-wise as good as the GoPro, but I think in everything else, battery life and so on and so forth. Okay, I definitely passed it. Or I'm on the wrong street. I don't know. I don't even know who I am. Oh, she doesn't know who she was either. You know what I love about this bike? You can find neutral so easily. I know it's like dumb, but it's like those little things about certain motorcycles. And that's one of them. I'm gonna pull over here and look at a goddamn map. United States Postal Service. Do not enter. Well, I'm entering you. What's happening? I thought it was a condom wrapper for a second, but it's not. Damn. I was like, alright, someone's getting freaky at the post office. Well, it's on the other side of the freeway. God damn it. Okay. Set that up. Okay, we're doing this. Oh, there's somebody in that car the whole time? Whoops. They probably heard me talking to myself. Ah, he doesn't give a shit. Stop, look before exiting. Oh, okay. Thank you. So why did I buy a Ducati Diavel V4? Well, I've always had a hard-on for the Diavel. And, you know, I came up to the Bay Area looking for a new motorcycle. And I was like, well, let me look into the Ducati lineup again. And I went over there, test rode some bikes. I test rode the Street Fighter first, the V4S. And I almost bought that bike. I really liked it. But it just felt so, like, cramped. You know, it's like, it's comfortable. But, you know, compared to this, it feels cramped. But, you know, I'm getting older, so I was like, I want more comfort. And it had, like, a lot of power, but the power is, like, in a weird range. You have to, like, really ride out that bike to get what you want out of it. But this thing, man, it has all the low end power, and then you can take it up to the very tip top of the rev range. It still wants to go, but you know, you have to shift, but it has power throughout the entire rev range, and that's just really what turned me on to this bike, because I feel like I can go slow if I want to, you know, like a lot of people think it's a cruiser. I don't really think it's a cruiser. I think it's a giant monster, like a low-rider monster. Is that the new Prius? Yo, I don't know if you guys saw the new Prius, the GR version, but I kind of want it. You guys want to see full power? Holy Jesus Christ! Okay. Oh. Oh. Like one of the. That was in touring mode, by the way. That's not even in sport mode. Sport mode is like very like off and on. It wants to go fast. So I gotta put it in touring mode around the city. Is she giving him roadhead? Girl? Who's a bagels? Who's a bagels? So I'm going to this place called Local Kitchens. They have like a little bit of everything, including sushi roll. Compact, I sure am. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Just got picked up lunch. I'm resting nice here in my little baggie here. Which is why I don't like to wear backpacks, because it has to lay flat or it's going to spill everywhere, so. Come on, light! Thank you. Let's go. It's in the middle of goddamn summer, and I'm wearing a goddamn black jacket. Everything black. I'm hot as hell. I know I've been away for a while. I'm kind of rusty at this game, so let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll do it. I'll do anything, man. I'll do anything for $5. Even that guy. Well, maybe not that guy. Is that a Gixxer? Oh man. I wonder if I can like get a black and white one for my bike. That'd be sick. Oh yeah, I'm in California, I can just split. It's another motorcycle friend. It was a BMW S1000RR. I miss my BMW, but at the same time, did not want to have to pay for any kind of maintenance. It was about to happen. I started having like really bad cam issues, and it happened right before my bike went out of warranty, so they fixed it. It was like $7,000 if if it wasn't under warranty. And then that happened the second time. I started hearing the same ticking sounds in the cam. So I was like, oh hell no. So I ended up trading that bike in for a Triumph Rexton R, and that bike was great. I had, you know, a great time with it, but for some reason I was just not in love with it, if you know what I mean. Like, there's nothing wrong with the bike. It was really good. You know, the thing was built like a tank. I drove that thing everywhere. Never had any issues with it. But it just, I wasn't in love with the bike. It made me feel like I wasn't enjoying motorcycling as much. You kind of get out of it, you know? So that's kind of what happened with me and motorcycling for a little while. The Triumph kind of almost knocked me out of it. So I ended up selling the Triumph. And then right after I sold it, I got this job offer to come up here. And yeah. Been up here for about a year and a half, and so in total I wasn't riding motorcycles for about 2 years, and I couldn't do it anymore. I broke in and I was like, I need to get a bike, and that's what I got this. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next, and I'll be sure to do that for you. Until then, see you guys later.